Welcome to Square Interior, where creativity meets functionality and design transform spaces into works of art. Every designer's studio is their personal heaven, a space that inspires, calms, and fuels motivation. It's not just a workplace, it's a sanctuary for creativity and innovation. Transform your space into something marvelous with us. Our design process is a meticulous journey from concept to creation. Our team of talented designers brings your vision to life, capturing the essence of your style in every detail. We turn ordinary spaces into extraordinary showcases of style and sophistication. Your dream studio is just a design away. You are in a different city, but you want the perfect design for your space. No worries. Our e-design service has got you covered. Here's how it works. We set up a video call to chat about your design wishes. You tell us what you love, your style, and the little details that make your space special. Our design pros soak it all in, and just like that, let the magic begin. Whether it's one room or your entire home, we have got the design expertise to make it happen. Imagine having a tailor-made design plan crafted just for you, no matter where you are. If you're dreaming of transforming your space, Quida is here to help, no matter where you are. Just a video call away, we are excited to make your design dreams come true. Let's chat and start creating something beautiful together. Don't forget to subscribe on YouTube and follow us on Instagram for more design tips and inspiration. This is Manisha Soni signing off wherever you are. Let's design together.